we are going to learn about divinculate. Let's start with example 49. First we minus unit digit 9 from 10 equal to 1. We write 1. Next step we less one number with 10's digit 4 equal to 3, we write 3. So 40 less 9 equal to 31. Let's start with example 76. First we minus unit digit 6 from 10 equal to 4. We write 4. Next step we less one number with 10's digit 7 equal to 6, we write 6. So 70 less 6 equal to 64. Let's start how we divinculate 10's digit with example 433. We write unit digit as it is, that is 3. Next we subtract 10's digit number, that is we subtracting 3 from 10 equal to 7. We write 7. For 100th digit we less the 1 number, so 4 minus 1 equals 3. We write 3. So, we can say that 400 minus 30 plus 3. Now start with example 521. We write unit digit as it is, that is 1. Next we subtract 10's digit number, that is subtracting 2 from 10 equal to 8. We write 8. For 100th digit we less the 1 number, so 5 minus 1 equals 4. We write 4. So, we can say that 500 minus 20 plus 1